Need to pause Kaspersky Free Antivirus protection on Windows 11? I'll show you how to suspend it temporarily with ease. Locate the Kaspersky Security Cloud icon in the system tray, a shield with a check mark. If it's not visible, click the up arrow to reveal hidden icons. Right-click the Kaspersky icon and select Pause Protection. Choose the duration for which you want to pause protection, for example, 1 minute to 5 hours, or until the application restarts. Click Continue to confirm and temporarily disable the protection. To re-enable protection, right-click the Kaspersky icon in the system tray again. Select Resume Protection. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.